Okay, and here I'm back. Uh, I spent like about 2 hours looking into manual, measuring with oscilloscope signals to understand what's going on. It's interesting, but this microprocessor which controls the DAC is programmed to not allow sound out when we have something recording. Really, are looking into diagrams are what it does. So here is the switch, and this is the transistors which are controlled directly from the microprocessor, and they tune on and off output. You see, so here is the output right here, and this transistor just shorts output circuit and don't allow signals to go in any direction to the output. And like for all modes, like dubbing, playback, and so on, microprocessor opens and closes it, so it's fine. And we also have additional circuit here, which works on power on. So when it's should reduce the output noise or like clicks on the power on off, and it works over this diode and this transistor here. I was thinking more, and I was looking into diagrams, schematics, and so on. And here is TP-702, and here is a pin which controls the output. And it's pin 30 here from the processor. And like the point is, when I short up this pin 702, everything is work. I understand that this may be such intended. I didn't find any examples on YouTube or like any. I haven't downloaded the owner's manual in Deutsch language, and I tried to find any mention like so. At this time, I believe this information is lost, so we don't know like how it should work. I believe it should, so I just installed the connector here to short this pin 702, and now it do work. See, when I turn it on, I have a signal on the output. So here, stop. You see, there is no signal. Record, boom, we have signal. And that's, I didn't tune yet anything. I just like make it running, and it works. Okay. So as you see, I just set up so zeros here. It just start lighting. See. Okay, and just like that. Okay, it just started lighting, and it shows like -3 decibel on the output. So it's pretty close. Okay, and it's 400 Hz. Now I'm ready to set zero level. So this zero level tape, it shows almost zero here, like, and it shows -4, and -4 is the proper level for the zero on the deck. So I believe something is wrong with oh, maybe not wrong, so it should be zero, right? -4 on the manual, -4.5 to -5.5. We have -4, and it's nice. Okay. Oh, I believe it's light. Okay, it works here. Let's check this one. What level it will give us. Shows the same here and the same -4. So I didn't touch anything. So factory levels are very good. Okay, next. Let's try to see how it records. Let's use type 1 tape. So you see it just starts like, okay, 0. It shows -3 here when 0 is lighted. Okay, so to do recording we need to click both. Even like if we click just record to tune up levels, this is still blinking, and it will not work unless we click hold record and click play. And I have read this in the Deutsch manual, and like that's the only way to do recording. They don't provide like any convenience as Akai, for example. Okay, so we're recording. Let's reset counter. What's deck B? Let's reset counter. We're recording. Okay, let's play. Like almost there. 0.3 decibel difference on left channel. So I wouldn't change anything. Factory settings are pretty nice. Let's try this one. Switch to the deck A. Memory. Come on, this button annoying. And hold and click. Oops. Something weird with the real motor. It just needs to run. Real motor, come on. I need to run you. You see it rewinds well, so just on the lower power supply. Are there any adjustments? I don't see any. I suppose it should be. I will check. So it rotates pretty well. So if your real motor has a dead spot, the best thing to do is to make it running. And like after a couple hours it will do well. This deck hasn't been used for years, maybe like decades. So let's see. It was running just well recently. But what a gorgeous deck. Sony released, I believe it's 1986. Okay, it was memory. here is the stabilizers. You see those are made from metal here and here. Okay, I hope this should be enough for now, but I will run it for a longer time to see that it works. If not, this means I would need to clean up and deoxidize the wheel motor, but so far I don't see any need. Okay, let's do recording. Okay. And here is the level. We're recording. And playing back. Very nice on the indicator. And very well here, half a decibel. So it's pretty good alignment factory. Don't need to change anything. Let's try the chrome tape. No, it's metal. Here is a chrome tape. Let's try recording. So, same level. Recording on the chrome tape. Counter reset. Nice level. Oh, again, so okay, on the chrome we have a little bit difference, minus 1 decibel, 1.5 on the left channel. Okay, you see, real motor stops, so I would need to run it longer. And on this, well, let me see levels. So left valve was minus 1 decibel on the right channel and minus 2 decibel on the left channel. And this one is perfect. Okay, so adjust chrome tape on the left valve. And let's see metal tape. Metal tape minus 3 decibel to the level we recorded on this valve. Let's see here. Yeah, same here. So I will continue working on with this deck, adjust levels, adjust bias. But as we've seen, like levels were fine on the normal tape, so probably it's just difference between different tape types. I would see bias and I would see if it's possible to adjust it properly. Okay, thanks for your attention. See you in the next part.